Hey everyone and welcome back to PowerPoint Academy. In today's video, I'll show you some fantastic websites that can add that extra flair to your next presentation. Coolers.co. Colors are the silent storytellers of your presentation. Choosing beautiful, matching colors not only enhances visual appeal but also sets the mood and tone of your content. Coolers.co is a really simple web app that you can quickly use to generate color schemes for your presentation. If you don't know what colors to choose, you can simply click Explore Trending Palettes, and you will have a variety of color palettes. This way you can dive into thousands of gorgeous color schemes created by other users. Get inspired and discover new combinations that resonate with your creative spirit. But if you like a specific color and you want matching colors for it, you can click the search bar and type that color. And the results will include palettes for that specific color. To use the color, you simply need to click on it, and its code will automatically be copied to clipboard. Then you will click the text or shape you want to color, then click Shape Fill, click More Colors, then in the hex space below, paste the code and click OK. Pexels.com. Pexels is a fantastic resource for finding high-quality free stock footage. It helps designers who look for visuals to find great photos and videos that can be downloaded and used for free. Type a relevant keyword into the search bar to explore the vast collection of available images. You can click videos to get those too. You can filter the results by their orientations or sizes. Scroll through the pictures and click on any that catch your eye. Once you've found the perfect image, click the green Free Download button that appears in the top right corner of the image. This will instantly download the photo in its original size to your computer. Icons8.com. Icons are the unsung heroes of design, offering a visual shorthand for complex ideas, including well-crafted icons in your presentation not only adds a touch of professionalism but also helps your audience quickly grasp key concepts. Icons8.com is your one-stop shop for a wide variety of icons that can elevate your presentation. Icons8 has a vast collection of free icons in various styles for mobile, web, and graphic design. These icons are pixel-perfect, scalable, and responsive, ensuring they look sharp and crisp on different devices. Type a relevant keyword then press Enter. You will have a variety of icons. At the left, you can see the different styles that allows you to kind of filter the results. For example, we have colored icons, outlined, 3D, and much more. When you find the icon you like, click on it. You can change the color by clicking Color. You can also change the background color and transparency. When you finish, click Download. The download options are limited, yet enough in the free version. I generally download them as PNG format and select the largest size possible. Then click Download. Giphy.com. GIFs inject a dose of energy and personality into your presentation. Giphy is an online database and search engine that allows users to search for and share short looping videos with no sound. It's a platform where you can find everything from funny GIFs to unique animated stickers. It serves over 10 billion pieces of content daily to users, helping them express more effectively. To download, click the GIF you like. Next, right-click it, select Save Image As, then the image will be saved as GIF. myfonts.com. myfonts is one of the largest font marketplaces offering professional fonts for any project. It's a go-to destination for designers, typographers, and anyone seeking high-quality typefaces. Additionally, myfonts offers a powerful tool called What the Font. This AI-powered font finder allows you to identify fonts from images. Simply upload an image containing text, and what the font will search its vast database of over 270,000 font styles to find the best match. I found this image in Pexels and I will search the font of the title. Right-click and copy the image. Go back to My Fonts and click this camera icon. Paste the copied image, then click Search. Select the text zone, then click Identify Font. Here are the results. Let's click the first result. So this should be the font, but to make sure, let's type the text in the book here and see how it looks. As you can see, the result we got is very accurate. At the end, you can download the font if it's free or buy it. Fontpair.co. The right typography can elevate your presentation's aesthetics and enhance readability. Choose fonts that align with your message. Fontpair is a fantastic resource for designers and typographers. It provides free, beautiful fonts and font pairings curated just for you. It helps you find the perfect combination of fonts to enhance your visual communication. This website is literally dedicated to simplifying the font pairing process. It offers pre-made font combinations that are visually pleasing and ready to use. It's a time-saving tool that ensures your fonts harmonize effortlessly. Keep scrolling until you find the font combinations section, then click View More Free Font Pairings. You will see a variety of combinations. When you find a combination you like, click this icon under it. Click the first font, then download it, and then download the second one. The fonts will download in a zip file. Open the file, then install the font. When you open PowerPoint it will be in the fonts list. YouTube.com. Last but not least, empower yourself with knowledge. YouTube tutorials are a goldmine for mastering presentation design, especially PowerPoint Academy. Here you'll find a treasure trove of PowerPoint tutorials and tips to make the most out of your presentations. And there you have it. A roundup of websites to supercharge your next presentation. Each of these platforms brings something unique to the table, so don't hesitate to explore and get creative. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which website is your favorite. Until next time, happy presenting!